Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can generate your invoice from Grove. We will be using Zapier to accomplish this. Basically what we're doing is we are collecting data from Google Form, sending it to a connected Google Sheet. Every time a record is populated in the Google Sheet, we generate a invoice using Grove, and then we send that particular invoice to the user's Gmail account as an email. So let's get started. Basically you'll need a template. I've created this simple template here. It just has customer email, price of 3 products, and total price. This total price will be calculated in the Google Sheet only. So this is our particular sample invoice. This is the Google Sheet. Currently it has this sample data, and this is our Zapier account. Now we just have to go to Zaps, then create Zap. If you don't have a Zapier account, it is fairly easy to create one. You just have to go to zapier.com and create your account. We'll select Google Sheet as our trigger. We'll choose an event. The event is updated spreadsheet row. Every time a record is added, a row is added, we want to generate an invoice. Let's choose an account. I already have used my account previously on Zapier, so it is already present here. I'll just hit continue. I'll choose a spreadsheet. All the spreadsheets that are in your Sheets account, Google Sheets account, would be here. Generating invoice is the Google Sheet that we're looking for. Then we'll choose the worksheet as form responses 1 because it only has one worksheet. Then we'll set up trigger column. We want a trigger column. We will select the trigger column as total price. Let's hit continue. Now Zapier would send a test trigger. Why I chose F as our trigger column, total price as our trigger column, because I want all the records including this total price before total price to be sent to Grove account. I want this entire record to go to Grove to generate a document, generate the invoice. That's why I chose F as my trigger column. If I had selected E, data, only this data till E would be sent to Grove to generate the invoice, but we also need the total price, and I have used a formula here to calculate the total price. Now this is done. Let's go to our Zapier account. Let's test the trigger. As you can see, timestamp, email, price of 3 products, and total price has been sent here. So our trigger works flawlessly. Let's hit continue. Now next we have to connect to Grove. I already have used my account before, so it would be present here. I'll select action if it is generate document because we want to generate the invoice. Next we have to choose an account. I'll choose my account. If you haven't used Grove in Zapier before, you'll have to add your account. It is fairly simple, and in case you feel any issues, you can reach out to us. Now it's time to choose the template. We've already created this template, generating invoices with Zapier. So we'll go ahead and choose this template, generating invoices with Zapier. Then all of the variables in that particular template are automatically updated here. So I'll just quickly add these. This is the price of the product 1. So this is the price of product 1. I'll delete this. Then price of product 2, then show option, price of product 3, then total price, and lastly customer's email. Now all of this data I want to send to Grove. Let's hit continue. Okay, great. So this is the data that would be sent to Grove. Let's test and continue. It takes a minute or less than a minute to generate. Now let's go ahead and see if our invoice is generated. This is today at 4:45. Let's go ahead. See, this is generated. This is our invoice. Let's go ahead and send it as an email to our customer. Now once this is done, once the invoice is generated, hit the plus icon to go back to setup. Now let's add another action. Here we'll add Gmail. Okay, let's choose an event, send email, hit continue, choose an account. Again, I already have an account here logged in, so it's showed here. Let's send it to, you can either send data from Grove or your spreadsheet. I'll choose the spreadsheet email address. I don't want to CC anybody. I don't want to BCC. I want from. Okay, let's go ahead and give it. Subject should be sample invoice generated by Grove. Great. Plain body. Let's say body. Please find attached your sample invoice generated by Grove. This is done. I don't want to add a signature or a label. I want to add an attachment. Yes, I want to add the generated document, which I can add from here, document PDF. Okay, let's quickly go through it again to check in case we've missed anything. Okay, to email is done, from is done, subject is done, body is done, and the attachment is done. Let's hit continue. Okay, let's quickly recheck. Everything seems to be alright. Let's hit test and continue. Great, an email was just sent to Gmail. Let's go ahead and see if that particular email was sent to me. Oh, here it is. Sample invoice generated by Grove. As you can see it here, this is the email. Now, this was our test Zap. Let's turn it on. Everything seems to be working fine. Now this is turned on. Okay, now let's add a new record to test it. Let's go to our Google form and submit another response. This time let's use the Gmail of one of our products. Then we'll go ahead and keep it 45, 45 and 90. The total should be 180, which would be calculated in Google Sheets. This is done. Let's check our sheet. This is working fine. It is populated here. 45, 45, 90 and the total is 180. That is great. Let's wait and see if an invoice is generated. Not till now. Let's hit refresh. Sometime it can take a minute or two. So this is our invoice, this is revenue, this is 180, our invoice is generated. That's great. Now go ahead and check the email. Here it is. This is the invoice and it's right here. So this is how you can generate invoice using Grove and send it to your customer's email using Zapier. It is really efficient and can save a lot of your time, and it is very simple, as you can see. In case you face any issues, you can get in touch with us by just going to Grove app and going to the chat icon, chat widget to connect with us. We're very quick with our responses and we hope to talk to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.